નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 14. Name of the chapter is India location, geological structure and physiography 2. Now dear children, today we have to learn, our topic is soil. Now what is the meaning of the soil? Soil, it means in Gujarati you have to say the jameen. Now we know very well that soil is a basic resources for the agriculture. Dear children, we know very well that soil is the basic resources for agriculture. Besides the agriculture, soil is very important for us. Soil is a thin layer form of the organic and inorganic matter of the surface of the earth. Soil is related to the surface of the earth. Dear children, what they have to given that? They have to given that is soil is related with the surface of the earth. In the same way, the apple with its skin. In same way, what we can say that? We can say that apple with its skin. The same way, the earth is connected with their soil. The thin layer on the crust of the earth is called as a soil. What is called as a soil, dear children? The thin layer on the crust of the earth. What? The thin layer. Which layer? The thin layer of the earth crust is known as a soil. Now dear children, next one, our topic is the soil formation. Which one? Soil formation. Soil formation, it means Jamin Nirmana. Now, what is the meaning of the soil formation? Soil is the result of denudation of the rocks. What they have to say that? Soil is the result of the denudation. What is the meaning of denudation, dear children? Khadokona khawan of the rocks. It is known as a soil formation. And that's why the rock surface is eroded due to the factor like. Now, why this denudation is happen? Because this happen because of the temperature, rain, snow, air, vegetation, insect, and it's turned into the powdery form. Which form? In the powdery form. Thus it is the form of the land layer. In this layer there are the gravels, smaller stone, pebble, soil particles, etc., which are known as a regoliths, and that's why we can say that it is known as a regolith. Why it is known as a regolith, dear children? Because in the layer there are smaller stone, pebbles, soil particles. These all things are to be there, and it contains only the mineral content. Which things they have to contain? They have to contain the mineral contents. Then the biotic matter, air, water are mixed with it. Finally, soil is formed out of this mixture, and that's why we can say that, dear children, that soil is out of its mixture. And the process of the soil form is a long-term process. That's why, dear children, we can say that the soil formation is a long-time process. Which kind of the process is there? Long-time process is there. And finally, soil is formed out of the mixture, and that's why we can say that soil is a form out of the mixture. Now we have to divide the soils in India. Dear children, our next topic is soils in India. Here, how many types of soils in India is there? Soils in India are classified into the 6 types. How many types are there, dear children? Total 6 types are there. Now which 6 types is there? First is a alluvial soil, second one is a black or rigger soil, third one is a red soil, fourth one is a laterite soil, fifth one is a mountain soil, and sixth one is a desert soil. Now we have to study about these 6 types of the soil into the detail. Now dear children, first of all they have to given about the alluvial soil. Which soil they have to given that? They have to given about the alluvial soil. Then alluvial soil, it is also you can say in Gujarati Kampni Jamin. Which one? Kampni Jamin. Now dear children, further alluvial soil was divided into 2 types. How many types the alluvial soil is divided? Alluvial soil was divided in 2 types, dear children. One is Khadar and second one is a Bangar. Which one? Khadar and Bangar. These two are the two types of the alluvial soil. The soil formed due to the fresh alluvial deposits. Now how this soil is formed? The soil is formed due to the fresh alluvial deposit. It is known as a Khadar soil. It is known as a Khadar soil. As this soil is formed due to the river flood and it is found mostly nearby the river. Now what they have to say that, dear children? They have to say that as this soil is formed due to the river flood and it is found mostly nearby the river. Generally such a soil is sandy, and generally we know very well that this kind of soil is very sandy. Soil contains the old alluvial in the upper valley region of the river. What they have to given there? They have to given that soil contains the old alluvial in the upper valley region of the river is known as a Bangar soil. It is known as a Bangar soil. It is sticky and has a dark color, and it is sticky as well as which kind of the color is the, dear children? It is a dark color. Alluvial soil is seen in the many parts of the country. Dear children, you know very well that the alluvial soil is seen in the many parts of our country, and their fertility is also the different at the different places. What happened there, dear children? The fertility of the alluvial soil you have to see in the India. The different places are the different one. Generally, such soil is very fertile, and that's why we can say that the alluvial soil is very fertile. Now in India, in which state we have to found this alluvial soil, dear children? We have found the alluvial soil in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. These all are the example of the alluvial soil of the state where we have to find. Now dear children, second one they have to given about the black or rigor soil. Which one? Black soil. Black, it means kadi jameen. Now we know very well that this soil is mostly found in Maharashtra, dear children. Here what they have to given, that black soil is very sticky as well as fertile, but it mostly found in Maharashtra, Gujarat, so many parts of the name of the state of the India are there. Then where we have to found the black soil into the India? We have to find the black soil in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. These all are the name of the state where we have to find the black soil. And black soil is the gift of the peninsular plateau, and that's why we can say that, dear children, the black soil is the gift of the peninsular plateau. This soil is very sticky as well as the very fertile, and that's why we can say that this soil is very sticky and very fertile. It can retain the humidity and prolong time, and that's why here they have a humidity as well as the prolong. It is a form of the igneous rock, and it is very useful for the cotton cultivation. And dear children, you know very well that the black soil is very useful for the cotton cultivation. That is why it has become the famous as a black cotton soil, and that's why what is the another name we can say? We can say in another name, it is the famous for the black cotton soil. Black cotton soil. Now it is also known as a regur soil, and that's why they have to given the another name of the black soil. It is also known as the regur soil. Now third one, which soil is the, dear children? Red soil. Which one? Red soil. In Gujarati you have to say Rati Jameen. Such soil is found in the region of the igneous and metamorphic. What they have to say that? They have to say that these kind of the soil we have to found in igneous and metamorphic rock. It means we can say that we have to found in Gujarati, you have to say that we have found in Khadak Dharavta Kshetroma. We have to found this kind of the red soil. It is red in color due to the ferrous and other human contents. Now dear children, why we can say that this soil is in red color? Because in this soil we can say that they were red in color. Its ferrous and other humus contents. It means loha tattva and anya sendriya tattva is available. That's why this soil is a red. This soil is porous as well as the fertile. And now dear children, you know very well that this soil is very fertile as well as porous. Porous it means छिद्राडु and उपजाऊ. Fertile it means उपजावा. Such soil is seen. Now they have to given the name of the state, that where this kind of the soil we have to found. They have to given the name of the state where we have to find the red soil. We have to find the red soil in Goa, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand. These all are the name of the state where this kind of the soil is available. Now next one dear children, we have learned about the laterite soil. Which soil is there? Laterite soil. Laterite soil, it means you have to say in Gujarati padkhau jamin. Which one? Padkhau jamin. And we know very well that it is developed as a result of excessive erosion by the rain. And that's why what happened, that the laterite soil is also developed because of the excessive रिजल्ट ऑफ द इरोजन ऑफ द रेन. यानी क्या होता है, ज्यादा बारिश के कारण, तीव्र धोवाण के कारण क्या होता है, दिस काइंड ऑफ द लेटराइट सोइल इज टू बी द फाउंड. एंड इन दिस लेटराइट सोइल the humus contained from the top of the soil, and that's why we have to found that in this soil the humus content from the top soil descended in the lower strata, which is called as a leaching, and that's why we can say that it is known as a leaching at the lower part. If the soil contains the less humus, in this soil what happened, that here they have a less humus, it is a less fertile also. And the red sandstone contain the iron and aluminium. What happened that dear children, here there is iron as well as the aluminium is there. The erosion of this rock result into the red color. What happened that the erosion of this rock as a result into which color dear children, into the red color. Such soil is found in the mountain region, and that's why we can say that this kind of the soil we have to found in which region, into the mountain region dear children. We are found in mountain region of the Deccan. Now example, if you have to see the state-wise, then Kerala is there, Karnataka, Odisha, these all are the some example of the laterite soil, and also we have to found into the northeast part of the India. Now next one dear children, we have learned about the mountain soil. Which one? Mountain soil. Mountain soil, it means Parvatiya Jamin. Which one? Parvatiya Jamin. It is known as a mountain soil. Humus content is more due to the forest. We know very well that here the humus contains the more. Humus it means, we can say that in Gujarati you have to say that Jevik Dravya, and that's why humus content is more due to the forest, and although it different from the places to places, and that's why we can say that we have to find the mountain soil different from the places to the places. Such soil on Shivalik rain is less fertile and less developed, and that's why what happened, that whatever the soil of the mountain in Shivalik rain is a less fertile as well as the less developed. This soil is sandy and porous and does not contain the humus, and that's why what happened, that this soil is sandy, porous and does not contain the humus. Such soil is found in the mountain region of the country, and that's why we can say that this kind of the soil are found only the mountain region of the India. Now which are the area or which are the state where we have to find out the mountain soil? Like example, Meghalaya is there, Arunachal Pradesh is there, Eastern Hills range is there, Uttarakhand is there, Himachal Pradesh is there, Jammu Kashmir is there. This all are the name of the state where we have to find out the mountain soil. Now next one and last one in the types of the soil dear children, that is known as a desert soil. Which one? Desert soil. Desert soil, it means रण प्रकारनी जमीन. Already here we have to written in Gujarati. Desert soil, it means रण प्रकारनी जमीन. Now dear children, you know very well that such soil is found in the arid and semi-arid region of the Gujarat. We know very well that we can found this kind of the soil, desert soil, in the arid and semi-arid region of the Gujarat. Now what is the meaning of the arid? Arid, it means shushk, and semi-arid means ardh shushk. It means it's found in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, these all are the name of the state where we have to find out the desert soil. Where we have to find Gujarat, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana. Thus, the soil here is more alkaline and has a less humus content. And that's why we can say that in this soil, more alkaline, what happened that more alkaline, it means char con is more and has a less humus content. Less humus content, it means jaivic padarth, that should be a lesser one. Now agriculture has been made possible in such a soil only through the irrigation. If you have to done the agriculture work into the desert area, into the desert soil, then any farmer or anyone has required the facility of the irrigation. Because of the irrigation, we have to done the agriculture into the desert soil. Thus, a large diversity in soil of the nation we have to found due to the climatical condition and relief features. That's why what happened there, dear children, in India we have to find the large diversity of the soils. These all are the types of the soils we have found into our India. Soils of the nation is seen due to, why we have to see? Because seen due to the diversity in climate as well as the relief features. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.